Welcome in Windows. Holy smokes. Finally, we are back on Windows. Checkmate, Apple. You suck. Bro, Windows is so good. It's so good. Oh my god, it's so good. I'm even running this on the default MME DirectX drivers and that sounds good. I know you're probably not interested in me tweaking settings, but like, if it doesn't work and I'm like, after making an hour video, I'll be pissed. But yeah, let's make future bass today. Bruh, this is 4% CPU usage only. Okay. So enough of this nonsense, let's just make some music. I was like thinking that we can make some like a future bass, chords, drums, vocal chops, a really classical future bass. Not like future classical type of future bass, but like a generic kind of, but still cool future bass. That sounds cool, and that is just cool to make. Really fun shit. And like a jazzy feel to it, really vibey and stuff like that. Yeah, I like that. I really like that. So let's open Serum. Maybe an F. Ooh, see? This sounds really good. Like, maybe start also doing lead. Oh, I did make the melody recently. But let's make this one. Let's make this one. Oh, much better. Let's make this one. This is a really important technique that I learned, that you just the top of the chords on the same level and every chord progression will sound so smooth. So now, as you can see, the C4 note is a little bit too high, so I'm just gonna put it here. Ooh, that sounds good, really good. Oh, and do like a different part here and make like an arp here, or like a switch up and like a fill here. Shorten it. Hey, that's cool. Okay, so now we need a really beefy bass. I made really beefy bass recently. We can try and recreate it. There's this very cool wavetable called I Has a Kick. And when you combine it with like a saw wave distorted, I mean the detune, a lot of voices. Ooh, that sounds good. And you put like a white noise on top, this standard white noise, and then you add some distortion. It's so beefy, bruh. Maybe this higher. Okay, this is muddy. This is like really dark. Everything is really dark. Just got a little bit here. Oh, I forgot. I'm working on speakers. Oh. Damn, I didn't even notice. I'm usually working on speakers, and I didn't even notice that speakers are bleeding into the microphone, and I'll have a lot of work while editing then. So bro, I'm gonna use headphones. Okay, this is really dark. I'm gonna use some OTT. Much better. Also, I'm gonna layer this with another chord. So I need these saws. The EQ here is so on point that they sound so good. This is so time wasting. I usually have an EQ on every single channel, but this is a new PC, so I don't have a preset yet. Okay, let's start adding drums. The kick should be good in Side Galaxy. Yeah, exactly this one. And then we should pick a new snare. Also, let's add a reverb. Yeah, sounds good. Let's go like this. Just the bass. Okay, sounds good. I was talking about at the beginning about some vocals, and we're gonna do this. But I think first of all we can use LFO tool on this whole group. I'm gonna include the bass as well here, and yeah, we can do some volume automation right here. Let's just borrow some vocals from one of the projects. Yeah, so there's a pretty nice post-processing here that I'm just gonna be using. It's pretty standard though, but it works. I'm gonna pick a different vocals for vocal chops. I can't say. Da, da. This is so, yeah, much better. Like a saturator after the formant shifting. Okay, this is not yet what I'm looking for. I'm gonna paste this here, these effects, and I'm gonna chop the vocals manually. Dude, I have 7 minutes because my camera is about to run out of memory. Okay, let's figure out something really quickly. Let's just try this one. Chorus, but pitched up. Okay, so duplicate this here. This is not bad. We can do quickly 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Oh, we can do quickly something like this. Okay, that's good. That's not that bad. Let's now... Okay, now how many? 5 minutes. Bruh, this is like a challenge now. That's what happens when you just waste so much time on talking nonsense and doing nonsense. Drum loops? No, build up drums. Oh, it made fills as well. Okay, impact really quickly. Oh, I also need this one. This is cool. This is fine. I'm not even stressed at all. This is fine. This is fine. No, I don't feel any pressure at all. Drum fills. This is good. Ah, quickly. Reversed kick. Noise sweep. Why am I queuing this? 2 minutes. Yes, we made it. I have 1 minute 20 seconds to say to you goodbye and have a nice day and see you in the next one. Let's listen to this. Nice! We did it! Cool, I have 30 seconds. Oh my god! Okay, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you learned something. Have a nice day and see ya in the next one. So that's it. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, you can cite that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my site oversampled.us for some high quality samples, presets and free sounds.